Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets. Today we're checking out the Realme Buds T300, the latest entry in the budget earbuds market. Stick around as we unpack everything from sound quality to battery life. Let's get into it. As we open the box, we're greeted with the Realme Buds T300 themselves, a charging case, Type-C cable, extra ear tips, and the usual documentation. First impressions? The build quality feels premium, and I'm curious to see how they perform. Design-wise, the Buds T300 sport an in-ear stem style, reminiscent of the AirPods Pro. They're available in two colors, youth white and stylish black. The white variant has a glossy finish that looks sleek but is prone to smudges, while the black has a matte finish that's more resistant to fingerprints. These earbuds pack a punch with features like Bluetooth V5.3, 12.4mm dynamic bass driver, and 30 decibel ANC. They also boast 360-degree spatial audio, IP55 rating, and support for Dolby Atmos. All of this for a price tag of just Rs. $2,300. Sounds impressive, right? On to battery life. The Buds alone can last 6 to 8 hours, and with the case, you're looking at 30-40 hours of playback time. That's pretty solid considering the price point. The quad mic setup with AI ENC ensures your calls are crystal clear. For the gamers out there, the 50 millisecond low latency mode is a game changer. I tested them out on a few fast-paced games, and the audio sync was spot on. So, what's the verdict? On the plus side, you've got great build quality, impressive sound, and solid battery life. On the downside, there's no volume control on the Buds themselves, which can be a bit inconvenient. To wrap up, the Realme Buds T300 offer a lot for a little. They're a strong contender in the budget earbuds market and definitely worth considering if you're looking for quality without breaking the bank. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.